All right, this is the Musicnomad Cradle Cube string instrument neck support. This thing's awesome. If you've ever been around a luthier shop, one of the things you may notice is that luthiers generally tend to make a lot of their own tools, neck supports and stuff, but this thing's just absolutely, in my opinion, worth getting. It's just a cool device. It's made out of a nice soft gel, so you're safe on all the sides of this thing. You can use it to, help you change your strings or work on a guitar or whatever. It's got several different support angles on here for whatever neck you might be working with, be it an electric, this way, I think these are the same. Cool thing about these little ridges on here, so if you're changing the strings out, you can loosen your strings out and pull the strings around either side of here, and it'll hold the strings in place and out of your way while you're working on the fretboard, which I think is a cool design. And up this way too, if you got something with a larger bass like an acoustic guitar. Just a cool device. And my favorite thing about this is that you can store your tools in it when you're done. So if you wanted to, you could actually put all your setup tools in here, or some of your setup tools in here, store them in here, dump them out, use this thing, put them back in, and you got like a little mini setup kit if you wanted to, or string changing kit, whatever you want to use it for. Absolutely neat device. I love it. Affordable, totally useful. Glad I got it.